Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini your assistant. First, open the Gemini app and sign in using your Google account, then grant microphone and notification permissions so voice controls work. Next, set a default language and pick a voice you like for replies, and enable optional settings like context sharing so Gemini remembers your preferences across sessions for smoother conversations. Personalize how Gemini talks to you by adjusting response length and tone in settings, which helps with casual chats or focused work. Create custom templates for common tasks like email drafts or reminders, and save them for instant use. Toggle features like concise mode or expanded reasoning when needed, and organize shortcuts so Gemini can perform repeated actions quickly without extra prompts, improving productivity in everyday use. Connect Gemini to your calendar and email to let it schedule events, send reminders, and draft messages with context-aware suggestions. Link cloud storage so Gemini can search files and summarize documents on demand, saving you time. Install browser and app extensions to get in-page help and quick citations, and enable smart home or device integrations to control gadgets with natural language, making Gemini a central assistant for both work and home tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.